Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having one TV. It is brand wise Changhong. It is China, very good brand actually. This TV having problem with the display not coming, but sound also coming. But problem with the display. Its pictures, videos are not coming. Because of that, we collected to the workshop, and now I'm going to check what is the exactly problem, and we will check. We have to remove the TV. We have to check first of all backlight. If maybe backlight, I have to check first backlight. After that, we can check what is the exactly problem. We will go to the remove, and we have to keep upside down carefully. After that only we can remove the back cover. This TV is Changhong LED backlight TV, model LED 50B2700. This is the brand. Now I'm going to check. First of all, we have to check actually backlight. If it is backlight good, we have to remove the screen and we have to replace the backlight. Otherwise, we have to repair the backlight. First of all, we have to check first. Already remove the back cover. Now we can check properly. See this board, actually it is power and video together. This one T-com board. We have to check now backlight. After checking backlight only we can decide what is the problem exactly. Now we will check backlight. Now you can see while we are checking, it's not showing any ampere. Because of that, we can identify it is problem with the backlight. Because of that, we have to remove the panel and we will check all the backlight. After that, we can decide. Now already disconnected PCB control board from the body. Now we have to take it out. Also we remove disconnected T-com board also. Now we have to remove all the screws from here to around the TV. Now again we turn it upside. Now we are removing panel guard. We can remove like that. Now still we cannot take the display because here screws, all the screws we have to remove. Now I'm going to take the display out. Very slowly we have to do this job. Very dangerous. Now we can check the backlight. We have to remove this. Now you can see this one, some areas already got damage also. This one before somebody actually it's repair, backlight I think changed. Now you can see this one, so many backlights already replaced before. One, two, three, four, five. Five backlights already before somebody removed, replaced. Now we can check one by one. This one already gone. You can see it's not showing, it's not blinking. This one already gone. We have to keep any mark, otherwise we cannot identify again. Because of that, it's better to keep some mark, stick some something. It's already gone. That one also it is okay. Also okay. Yes. This line one LED gone. This line is okay. Hmm. You can see this one also it's not showing properly. It's not blinking. This LED also gone. That one also gone already. That is okay. This one gone. And we will check other line. Also this one also gone. Now three lights already LED. We identify already gone. We will check the next line also. Also this bulb also gone already. Now it's already four LED. We will check the last one, last line. Also this LED. Now total 5 LED. This bulb also gone. Now 6 LED. This is all 6 volt. Now total 6 LEDs are gone. This LED is 6 volt. We have to replace 6 LED also. Now we will replace and check. It should work after that. That is 100% we know now. It is already gone LED. Now we will replace the LED and check. Now what I'm going to do, I having old LED backlight. I'm going to cut good one here, and as same before, I'm going to replace, and we will do that. After that, our job will be finished. Now I already cut one LED bulb. Now we have to resoldering here neutral and live, plus and minus. This side is plus side. We have to damage a little bit. We have to resoldering with the LED because of that. Now I already fixed one LED bulb. Now we can check whether it's working or not. Now you can see it is working. It is 6 volt LED. Now it's working the total line. Now one is finished. As same, we have to fix 6 LED bulbs. So already got defect all the 6 lights. After that, our job will be complete. Now we already got defective LED. This is the last one. This one normally we have to protect LED for that, but this one doesn't want to create that much now because of that we are in this situation, which is damaged LED. Now already take all 6 LED bulbs over here. Now we have to check again. Now finally we can test. Now all the lights are working. Now we can fix as same before. After that, our job will be finished. Now we already fixed all the backlight. Now we are going to check backlights are working or not through the board. Now we are fixing board and Ticom board. Now we have to check the backlight before fixing display. Now I'm going to check the backlight. Now you can check all the backlights are working now. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix display only screen. After that our job will be finished and we will go to the next step. Now we already fixed papers. Now we are going to fix screen guard. Now we have to close screen guard. I'm going to fix screen for the TV. Now finally we have to fix the screen guard. Now we have to take it upside down again. Now we have to fix all the screws. Now finally we fix everything. Ribbon, Ticom board, power board, everything we fix already. Now we have to check only. Now we will check. Now we can check finally. Now it's switching on. Changhong. Yes dear, it is already done. TV is working fine. No issue. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.